Hi guys, welcome! I can't believe I made the New York's famous Levain chocolate chip cookie. This is a gluten-free version, so it's a little bit healthy, but still amazingly delicious. And this is the iconic shot of the cookie. Yes, that's it. Let's make it. For the gluten-free Levain chocolate chip cookie recipe, we're going to need 3 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Mix honey and coconut oil until the mixture is soft and smooth. Add 1 whole egg and a teaspoon of vanilla. Continue to mix until you don't see the egg whites anymore. In a separate bowl, you're going to add 2 cups of almond meal flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And to get the Levain's thick and hearty texture cookie, we're going to use almond meal versus the fine almond flour. Make a well in the center of the flour, pour the wet ingredients in, and mix thoroughly. This is a warning, okay? Just get your arm ready because the mixture is going to get really sticky. Like really sticky. I recommend that you use 40 to 60% dark chocolate. If you go higher than 60%, the cookie will taste too bitter. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure in the kitchen. I'm measuring my chocolate and I'm a little over half a cup, but if you're a chocolate lover like me, you can use up to 3/4 cup of dark chocolate and it'll be fine. Before baking, gently roll a tablespoon of cookie dough in your hand into a perfectly round ball shape. And you should get at least 10 round balls for this recipe. Let's bake this in a preheated oven at 375 Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. And when you're done baking, transfer your cookies to a serving plate and cool completely. And there it is! If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you on the next episode.